We all hate being put on the spot. While you do know the answer to that tricky question, you get tongue-tied, you panic, and your mind races as you search for an answer. Worse still, you know what you want to say, but not how to say it, so that it sounds credible. You may be the expert in the room, but for some reason you simply don't sound like the expert you are. The good news is there is a solution. I'd like to invite you to join us on the 25th of April at 2 o'clock UK time for a free, half-hour online demonstration of Think on Your Feet, a globally delivered communication workshop that will help you with those crucial conversations. During this demonstration, we will show you how to add clarity, brevity, and impact to your conversations. We will show you how adding structure helps you and your listener understand your message even when answering tough, ad hoc questions. And finally, we will show you how Think on Your Feet can help you and your team and your whole organization make every conversation count. Click on the link in this post or type in this link on the left of the screen into your browser to register your free place. We look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, the 25th of April at 2 o'clock. Think on your feet. We can't make you into an expert, but we can make you sound like the expert you are.